Hey guys.
Hi guys.
Hey, we did have this beautiful day for most of the day, and that we were going to film during golden hour, and now it's super cloudy, but we got to get this done because we're really excited about sharing something with you guys, and we are taking off tomorrow for a long passage, so it's now or never.
Yes, so we are joining forces with Bluewater Cruising, and we are going to join them for a free workshop on December 7th. You guys have always kind of wondered or asked us how we got started into this lifestyle, and it wasn't easy. And Bluewater Cruising is something that I kind of wish we had before we started.
Yeah, for sure. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of the beginning stages.
It really does. So we're going to be joining them on December 7th, and if you are interested, this is a free workshop to join us. We'll have a VIP live chat option to find out how we got started, how all the other YouTube channels have gotten started, and of course, Keith and Renee from Sailing Zatara for Bluewater Cruising. So in the link and all the description below is how you can sign up and register for this live workshop. So hope you guys join us. It'd be fun.
Definitely. Sounds good? Great.
Okay.
See ya.
Bye.